right, check this one out. That's a Blazer with the Redline package. 2021 Blazer LT with the Redline package. Gets you the black accents on the grille, the red hash marks on the wheels, the red mark on the back of the mirror, the black handles, the black roof rack, and the black and red badging. This is a 3.6 liter V6, 9-speed automatic transmission, factory tow package, 20-inch wheels. This is going to have remote start, keyless entry, cloth interior with a power driver's seat, automatic headlights, power liftgate, push button start, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, two-wheel drive, auto four-wheel drive, performance mode, off-road mode, tow haul mode, lane keep assist, parking sensors, forward collision alert, and all your hands-free calling right on the steering wheel, along with your dual climate control and your heated seats. Don't forget it's got a lifetime powertrain warranty. We'd love to show it to you. If you want to check it out, give me a call at 800-642-1566.